Chapter 6 and Worksheet 5, page 86. A class is enjoying itself in the children's park. The teacher is standing at one end and observing what the children are doing. She is also noting down her observation in a record book. Help her in completing her record book. The first one has been done for you. So first one is A is jumping into the pool. So these sentences you have to make in present continuous tense. Okay. So these pictures are showing different activities and you have to make it in a sentence, these activities. Like A is jumping into the pool, B is reading a newspaper, C is swimming, O and J are talking, L and F are playing, G is running, K is walking, M is cycling, N is crawling, P is holding a child, Q is selling ice cream. Now you can see here, this is the ice cream bar. R is relaxing, E is floating, H and I are walking, and D is splashing water. Okay, so now we covered all the activities and you have to make these sentences in present continuous tense, so which I have done already here, but you have to write in this way. Okay, the next worksheet 6. Before worksheet 6 you have to keep remember past continuous tense is used to describe an event that was happening at some time before the time of reporting. For example, they were reading, I was playing, she was playing, they were sleeping, the fan was moving. So worksheet 6, there are 4 columns. Out of these 4 columns you have to make meaningful sentence. Okay, so this worksheet is in past continuous tense. The first column is I was eating ice cream during the recess. These 2 columns you can use or you can repeat these words. So he was eating ice cream yesterday. Sohan and Mohan means we are talking about 2 people. So we will use were in past continuous tense. Eating ice cream during the recess. Rajat was, this is only one person we are talking about. Rajat was eating ice cream yesterday. They were eating ice cream during the recess. So in this way you have to write these sentences here. Okay. And the next worksheet is, this is the story of the ship. The ship name is Mary Celeste, is a mystery. The ship was found abandoned in the Indian Ocean. It was in good condition, but there was no one on the ship. The view inside the ship showed that the crew had left all of a sudden while all of them were doing something. So look at these pictures and guess what they were doing when they left the ship. The first one has been done for you. Someone was shaving his beard. So you have to use these words which are in a brackets. So now the next word is play. Someone was playing chess, and the next word is eat. Someone was eating donuts. Okay. Someone was writing a book. And the next one is stitch. Someone was stitching a piece of cloth. So in this way you have to complete these sentences which are not completed properly, and use these words which are in a brackets. So that's all for today.